All right, Dirt Dauber Garage. It's been a while since I did a video, so I thought I'd give a little update of what's been going on here at the garage since my last video. If you like these videos and you like watching Dirt Dauber Garage, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. That helps me make more videos of this kind of content. Thank you. All right, like I said, it's been a while since I did a video, so I thought I'd give an update of what's been going on. One thing that you're probably hearing is that buzzing noise. I installed a fan up here in the top of my shop, which has made a big difference. I don't have AC. Actually, I do have AC right here, but I don't have any insulation, as you can tell. So on a hot day, that thing just doesn't cut it. But I put that fan in and it sucks the heat out of here and makes a big difference. What have I done since the last time I posted the video? I do have some content or some video footage I need to put together of some of this stuff. I'll make a couple more videos, but I thought I'd give a quick update of what's been going on. I've got a brand new Aisin master cylinder for the clutch. I did the same for the brake. I got the radiator on, water pump, new water pump. I got the battery tray painted and installed. As you can see, I've got the wiring harness laid out here and started to go through, clean it up, get things ready to start plugging in. Also, let me move my toolbox here, my tool set. I bought a brand new gas tank and got that ready to go in. I'm trying to think of what else I've done. I actually ran all of the fuel lines and clutch lines and brake lines and got those tightened down, ready to bleed. I got a hookup. You can see here the master cylinder is not hooked up yet for the brake. The clutch cylinder, the master, is hooked up over there, but not here. I cranked this up and got it running. I'll put a short clip of that video. So this thing is officially running now. Got a HEI distributor for it. So I've done a good bit on the 40. Like I said, just got to get this posted so you get an update, and then I'll put a couple videos up with some of these things that I've done. You may be wondering what's going on with the 55. Not much. I've been focusing my time on this for the last month or so. Done a few projects around the house, but most of my effort in the shop has been on the 40. So that's it. That's an update with what's been happening here at Dirt Dauber Garage. Like I said, I hope to have a couple more videos out here soon with some of the footage from the stuff I've done, and hopefully got about 3 or 4 weeks left of summer, get a few more things done before too long, have this thing on the road, ready to roll.